Hello and welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a great day so far, or that you had a great day depending on what time it is. This year I wanted to make more tutorial and resin videos, so every month I am really trying to upload at least one type of like process video or tutorial video. So in this video I wanted to show you how I seal some stickers in resin. So I use tape to seal my stickers. I know some people may use a laminator or they may use a Mod Podge, but I just use tape. And I only ever seal my stickers as if they are paper or I don't want to chance them if I don't know what material they are. I seal them with tape just to make sure, because I've had times where I just put a sticker in because I've had other stickers that didn't bleed through, but I put the sticker in and then it bleeds through and it ruins the piece. All of a sudden I'll have an A grade piece and it turns to B grade or C grade because of the bleeding that you get through on the sticker. So if you have paper stickers or you want to not chance getting your sticker, basically your piece ruined or the sticker ruined because it'll bleed through, then just keep watching and I'll show you how I seal it with tape. I find, well, it's just the option I learned how to do when I searched for it on YouTube. But again, you can use a laminator or you can use Mod Podge. So I just have regular packing tape, and that's easiest because it's thick and longer than regular like tape. And then I have a pair of scissors. So that's all you're gonna need for this so far. And you just want to get the tape undone. And do a nice size. You cut it. We may be able to fit them all on here, we'll see. But it's not a problem if you can't fit all of yours on it. And then you're just going to lay the tape like that. We're going to unpeel the sticker now. And with the sticker unpeeled, you're going to place it anywhere on this. And I try to just have all the stickers like scattered around. I'm going to put this sticker right here. And you can use your nail if it starts sticking to your fingers really bad. And we're just going to fill up this tape with as many stickers as we can, but you want to make sure they're not close to each other. So have them spread out, because we can always just use more tape. Yeah, we're gonna have to get more tape for this last one, because I don't want them to be so close together, just to make sure they don't get messed up. All right, so once you have your stickers on there and you feel like your sheet, your tape is filled up pretty good, you're going to take more tape, about the same size, and place it on top. And it can be longer, just so it's better safe than sorry about the tape that you're using. And you want to make sure this tape isn't super wrinkled up. It won't be a big problem because it's the back. The main focus is the front being flat. But if you can, just make sure it is covering the stickers, as so. Okay, and with this, you want to now start pushing down on your sticker to make sure that it is actually getting sealed with the tape. So with each sticker, I just like to go around it for maybe like 20 seconds or so, just to make sure. You'll start to notice you're developing like this little line around the sticker. And you just want to make sure you push out like these bubble things, because if those get cut and open, it will still leak. The resin will get to your sticker. So you just want to make sure that your sticker is protected and it's like nice and flat how you want it. Okay, so I'm going to do that with all of these. Okay, so now that you have all your stickers, you press down on them to make sure that they're secured in that tape for as long as you think that you needed to. Now we're going to cut them. And I like to just cut them out individually to make sure that I'm not cutting around the other stickers, just in case I accidentally messed up or something. So I like to cut them out like that. And then with this, you want to make sure, again, you see the tiny line outlining the sticker. You want to make sure you don't touch that. You want to leave that line there because that's the tape protecting the sticker. And if you cut that, it's opening the tape. So resin can get into the sticker and bleed on it, or the sticker could bleed, it can ruin it if you don't leave that line alone. I've learned, because at first I was like, oh, let me cut all the way around. The sticker will be perfect, won't have the tape around it. Most of the time, like foil, you have to really look for the tape to see it in the resin. So just make sure that you are generous when cutting and you leave a good amount of tape there. And as long as the line is still there, your sticker should be fine. But I like to, just in case, be very generous with the tape. I try to fit some of the shape as much as I can. But other than that, I really leave the tape on there. So there, that's how I cut my stickers with the tape sealed on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of them. Okay, so now I have all the stickers I showed you cut and sealed, except for this one. I'm gonna do this one off camera. And this is what they look like. I left tape on there, generous amount. You can go in and clean it up if you want to, but for me, it's good enough. As long as the little outline around it is still there, your sticker should be fine. But yeah, I like to leave a generous amount around there just to make sure, just in case. Sorry, I don't know. The sun here, my window, it's just keeps shining in the weirdest places, so it might be bright in some parts of the videos. But yeah, have this all sealed up. So these stickers are sealed. I will be sealing this one off screen, and I will be showing you how I put these in resin. It's just like putting, if you watch my Magikarp coaster video or you watch my foil, how to put foils, it's the same thing. You take clear layer resin and you put the sticker in, but I will be showing you how I do it because I do want to make a coaster out of these. All right, so we're back now. I ended up dusting my coaster mold with pink hollow powder, and I already poured some clear resin into it. I did 20 part A, 20 part B, so 40 in total. I didn't use all 40, just enough to cover the mold on the sides and the front so I can add the stickers in. I did seal all the stickers, so that sticker that wasn't sealed before is now sealed. This is hot, so I want to make sure it doesn't cure fast, but make sure that you are wearing proper safety equipment when working with resin, so gloves, wear your mask. I have my window open. Again, I'm sorry for the sun being weird, and my tripod, you can kind of see it now, it's like blocking things, but we will work with it. So just add in the stickers how you want. Again, I am doing this like I did with my foil, so I am just going to put them in face down in the area. I'm going to use a popsicle stick to push around it to make sure there's no bubbles. Get those bubbles out. All right, so just you're just gonna fill up or however you're doing this. If it's a keychain, I'm just putting them in like this to show you an example. I want to use these for a coaster. But yeah, they should just work like foil or a normal sticker. Mainly this part, you're just making sure that the sticker is getting covered in that resin and that there's not going to be any bubbles. But again, if it is bubbles and we need to mold it, there's bubbles there, it's not the biggest deal. The big deal here is our stickers are sealed and we don't want it, we don't want them to bleed. Because then there's no point in even sealing them if they're going to do this. And when you have your stickers like this, you want to make sure, or cutting foils or any type of stickers in here, your resin can move around, so you may want to check on it beforehand to make sure that it didn't shift up or anything like that. That's still in a place that you like it to be. Like this original place, I want to make sure that they didn't float somewhere else. So it's just a good idea to keep an eye on your stickers. And after I get my stickers in a place that I like them, I just take my heat gun, I go over it. And that's just to get rid of the bubbles that are either on top of the stickers or on the sides of it. Alright, so I have the stickers how I want them. I won't be showing this, but if you're doing a coaster as well, I usually wait an hour for the resin to get tacky, and then I'll pour whatever colors that I want on the back of it, the backing color. But for the sake of this video, we will come back after it's time basically to demold the coaster, so you can see how it came out with the stickers being sealed. All right, so it is the next day, and I'm going to be demolding this coaster to see how the sealed stickers turned out in it. So let's get into it. Oh, before I start, I just added some green and I believe shimmer peach mica powder resin. So 2 different colors, green and then that peach, that shimmer peach. And they combined to make this. Of course, I added glitter to them, so that's why the back is glittery like this. But yeah, let's get to it. And look at that, they came out really well. And then you can see, of course, the pink hollow that I added. But yeah, if you seal your stickers with tape, they'll turn out fine in the resin, as you can see. This one turned out really good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions about anything that I showed you here with sealing your stickers in tape. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like the video, turn on post notifications so you know when I upload. I'm trying to at least upload 1 video a week, and make sure to subscribe. Overall, I just hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!